reaching out to you about our winterization process and wanted to show you how we do things here. It's time to get your boat ready for winterization and its long winter nap. Our professional and friendly staff will walk you through the process of getting your boat set up, or if you'd like, we have very easy to do online forms which will create your estimate as well as agreement to get your boat winterized. We're going to take care of your boat from the slip right to winterization. When we pull your boat out of the water, carefully go through a pre-haul check and inspection, as well as the engine operation and steering and other critical components. We're going to pull your boat out of the water with our specialized equipment. You can perform bottom washes to clean off any of that lake residue. We can do oil changes, fuel filters, other engine maintenance, as well as lower unit service, which could include a full service or just replacing your gear fluid. We're going to winterize and protect your engine using -100 antifreeze. And as we're doing this entire process, we are creating a 100+ point inspection of all the critical components of your boat to report back to you and let you know what's working and what may not. So that can be taken care of in the off season when you're not using the boat. When we prepare your boat for storage, we go through the entire boat, open up all the compartments, make sure everything's organized. We then cover the boat with a sturdy frame and thick shrink wrap in order to protect your boat all winter long. We then store your boat safely and securely on one of our properties and give it a place to rest for the whole winter. We're glad to contact you via email, phone, text, or in person to set up your winterization, as well as throughout the winterization process, let you know where you stand, as well as any recommendations we may have after doing our thorough 100+ point inspection. I look forward to taking care of your boat this winter.